Is it your cat's birthday or does he just hate drinking water? This water fountain is perfect. Ever since we got this water fountain, Michi just loves drinking water. He's always around this little water fountain. Is there anything you want to say, sir? Any thoughts on this water fountain?
I like it.
Did you want to give us a few tips for cats who don't like drinking water?
Drink soda.
Because that used to be you, right? Until we got this water fountain. Any suggestions for other cats, Michi?
Bye.
No?